The day we've all been waiting for is finally here, guys. I got the text to pick up my lip like you saw in the last video, and that's exactly what I'm doing. They perfected the paint match. They sent me some pictures, and honestly, there's nobody that does it like Rubystar. I'm gonna show you guys what the lip looks like, and we're gonna install the lip as well. It's been about almost 2 months, actually, since I destroyed the front lip with that random debris in the highway. Sometimes you just gotta practice some really good patience, guys. Patience will take you a long way. This one definitely tested me. The side skirt is already here as well. I just gotta get it delivered or pick it up from Miami, and we'll see what we do. But let's go ahead and take a look at this lip, man. Take a look at this beauty, man. And if you didn't see the last video, I did the clear taillights, and this and skyscraper gray just go so well together, especially with the polished wheels. But every time I'm here, there's like a little car in me. Look at this, Turbo S. I don't know what purple that is. It's probably wrapped. If I were to take a guess, Rift, Carbon, Lamborghini Urus. Looks like it got in a little fender bender there. Look at those size of the brakes. Oh my goodness. Now we got this M3 that we saw last time too. All right, John, what we got, what we got? Where's your car at?
Bro, my car is out home.
Oh my gosh, I wanted to show it.
I know, I'm so bad about showing my car. It just got wrapped and it looks nice.
You got the Stealth, right?
Yeah, the Stealth PPF. It looks with the carbon buckets, carbon ceramics.
Damn.
But now I'm jealous because I just saw this one and I'm like, I should do this.
Yeah.
It looks sick.
Wow. Look at this. Man, you guys are spot on every single time. This is gonna look amazing.
Yeah, I know.
This is.
People are gonna think this is even carbon because this
Yeah.
is so well.
Yeah, literally.
The color match.
Look at that. Yeah, you can't even see the weave through it or anything.
Nope.
Bro, you guys are the goats. I was gonna try to do it tomorrow, but I think I'm gonna do it today.
You can do it right now. All the comments, all the bullying needs to
Oh
stop.
my, bro, seriously. Hey, on the way here, somebody commented on the last video.
Yeah.
They're like, you might as well get a single turbo before the lip gets in. I'm like,
crazy. Yeah,
bullies.
I feel bad, man. He has a front lip, guys. Leave him alone.
There it
It's
is.
here.
It's proof.
There's here.
Damn, this looks freaking amazing. I'm so happy with this.
Yeah, you're killing the game. You're honestly.
Hey, I'm trying, bro. And if anybody needs any paint matching, I'm telling you,
We'll take care of it.
these are the guys. These are the guys. You said the first time it didn't come out good, and then you had to
If we're not
respray.
happy with it, we're not going to give it to you.
Yep.
It has to be spot on. It has to be perfect. We don't want you to look at the car and be like guessing.
Yeah.
We want you to look at it and be like, oh wow, it's factory? That's
Exactly. Yeah, and that's why you got to go with the best of the best. Look at this. We're gonna put it on the car, like I told you in the beginning of the video, and we're gonna see how perfect this matches with the rest of the body panels. Thank you, bro.
Yeah, no worries.
Appreciate
I got
you.
you, bro.
And he has a skyscraper gray G80 M3. Last time he had a black one.
Yeah.
So now he has a fully loaded skyscraper with orange.
No, I don't want the red buckets.
Red buckets.
I didn't have buckets before. I didn't have carbon ceramics.
Yeah.
Full out.
Full out, but it's not here.
I know it's not here. I'm gonna bring it out. Watch. I'm gonna bring it
Yeah,
out.
we're gonna see it next time.
Yes, sir.
It is absolutely hot as today, man. I already got the car up. We're about to throw the lip on right now. I'm gonna do this by myself. My dad's not here to give me encouraging words, because when I wanna quit, he's always like, let's finish. Or if he's gonna quit, I tell him, let's finish. Since you guys seen this before on my channel, we have to remove the OEM corner pieces. There's a bolt right around here somewhere. I think it's an 8. If I'm not mistaken. We're gonna take that off. We gotta do the same thing on this other side. We gotta remove this corner piece. I already removed the bolt, the 10mm from the fender liner. Somehow we're gonna get this one back here. I hope this doesn't take more than, I wanna say an hour, because it's absolutely scorching hot out here. It's 12:30 right now. It's like 100 degrees outside. let me go ahead and tackle this. I'm not gonna be talking too much because I just want to see this lip on. You guys been asking for this for so damn long, and I've been waiting since like June 30th, I think, to get all my pieces back together. I'm gonna just throw this on, maybe show you guys a few clips here and there, see what the final result looks like.
That was a lot easier than I thought.
I wasn't expecting, actually those screws that I was talking about, they're missing. So I gotta see where they are at. Boom. Ooh. Man, oh man. Let's take this over here. Okay. Ooh, it's gonna look crazy.
Oh my.
That looks nuts. So I'm gonna figure out where to put the 3M tape. I think it's gonna be all across. They brought a good amount. Let me see, let me make sure the holes line up. Oh yeah. Yeah, perfect.
Damn, it's gonna look crazy.
I think that's enough 3M. What do you guys think? And then it's gonna be bolted with the OEM bolts on the inside.
Gonna peel the edges, stick it on, and then once it's on, the fitment's good, then I'll peel it off.
Holes line up.
Oh, that's beautiful.
After some freaking heat, sunshine, rain, you would think that this is a different day. It took me, I think, like 2 hours because I was aligning the holes. If you guys have removed your bumper before, you know, or tried to do a lip, you know that there's some like plastic clips that are on the bumper that you would screw into. And sometimes those little clips like move and then you can't get the screw to grab. So I was dealing with that. That's nothing that you want to see on camera anyway. This lip looks freaking phenomenal, man. The weight was definitely worth it. I'm gonna just shut up and I'm gonna show you guys what this looks like on the car. Look at this freaking front lip. Oh, bro. I've had 3 lips already. I had the V-style lip, I've had the Carbone lip, and this is the Unit 17 SPL2. And by far, I think this is the most aggressive / elegant lip that I've put on the car. Just look at this. And the paint match too, the little trims right there that we did with Rubystar. That was a great decision. I'm gonna just take it out real quick so we can see it in a little bit of light. It's so good seeing the car literally almost full health. The only thing that is missing is this side skirt extension. So it's already in Miami. I just got to pick it up. I don't want to drive an hour to get it, so I'm gonna try to get it delivered. But look at this beauty. Bro, I can't stop staring at this. Look at that, so aggressive. Wow.